Hey guys, we are Hectex and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to show you some basic and frequently used commands of Kali Linux and other Linux distributions. First, let me make you understand why we need commands and why commands are important. Let's assume if you want to be in someone other system, you cannot use GUI and have an only option of terminal, and also majority of the tools run on command line. So command line is very important to learn. And this video will be of two parts because the video will get lengthy if we try to cover it in one video. So let's get started with the video. So let's start with the first command, which is pwd. What is pwd? It shows the current working directory. For example, if I type pwd and press enter, it will show you in which directory you are in, as you can see. Now if you want to see what all directories are in root directory, you can just type ls and you will get all the directories in that folder. As you can see, there are many directories such as desktop, document and many more in the root directory. And if you also want to see all the hidden files and properties of the file, you can just hit ls space -al. As you can see, hidden files are not visible, but with using -al we can see hidden files. Now coming to the next command, let's say you want to change directory to desktop. Then type command cd and the location. Cd stands for change directory. Just type cd desktop and press enter. So now we are in desktop directory. You can check by pwd. As you can see, we are in root directory and in desktop directory of the root directory. And if you want to go to previous directory, you can type cd space dot dot. As you can see, we are in the root directory again with pwd. Now for the next command, let's go to desktop directory again with cd. Let's check what files are there in desktop using ls. As you can see, there is one file named command. Now I want to create a new directory, so the command to make new directory is mkdir and the file name which you want to give. You can see a new directory has been created. Let's also check by ls. And now if you want to copy any file or directory, just use the command cp. The cp stands for copy. The command is cp, the file source and the destination file location. Here I am copying this file into hectex directory, so I have to give the location, which is /root /desktop and /hectex, which is the part of desktop directory. As you can see, the file is copied. Yeah, like this one, you can see this. Let's say you want to move this file into document directory, or as where you like. The command is mv, the source and the destination location, same as the copy command which I have shown you earlier. So this is a source file and our destination is document directory. Sorry for that. Now press enter. As you can see, the file is been moved into document directory. Now let's move to our last command for this video. Now let's move to our last command for this video, which is removing or deleting the file. In order to remove file, use rm space -r command and the directory location which you want to remove. In our case, the directory is hectex directory. You can see the file has been removed from the desktop, so you can check it. So guys, that's it for this video. The next part will be coming soon. So guys, if you found this video informational, please do like, share and subscribe and be a part of Hectex.